In this video, we will learn how to analyze data jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed. We will take a look of how to transform this very messy dataset into something that is actually useful using Python. Let's dive in. It is very useful to visualize the outcomes or the success at the beginning of every data project. So in our scope of our project, we will focus on which industries are hiring the most data analysts. We will take a look of what are the skills requirements for this position. We will see how base salary affect based on years of experience or education level. And lastly, we will take a look of which location across Canada are hiring the most data analysts. Let's get into it. So before we even start coding in Python, we need a thing called IDE, or an integrative development environment. Basically, this is where we're gonna put our Python code into execution. So if you guys haven't done it so, I recommend to check the link below and get the environment set up and installed. This is a very important step, yet relatively easy. So if you haven't done it, I recommend to check it out before we jump in.